So today we're going to learn what a perimeter is in geometry. So a perimeter is essentially the total distance around the outside of a shape. So I'm going to give you an example for that. So let's say, for instance, we have a square. So let's say something like this. This is not a perfect square, but all right. So let's say that essentially what the perimeter is the outside. So all of this out here. So if you were to, let's say, lay it flat in one whole line, how long would that be? That's essentially what a perimeter is for that shape. Let's say, for instance, let's clear this up. Let's say, for instance, each side was 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. To find the perimeter of this object, you essentially have to sum or add all of them. So it would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we know 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. So 16 centimeters. So that's one example of a perimeter. You can have many different shapes. You can have a rectangle, something like, that's not a perfect rectangle, but you can have a rectangle, say something like this. You can have something like a circle. Also, the outside is the same thing, so you're looking for the perimeter, but there's a specific name for that when it comes to circles. But essentially, that's what a perimeter is. It's the total distance around the outside of a shape. So if this was helpful, please like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.